Hello friends, in this video I am talking about how to add end screens on YouTube channel. So let us start. Go to video manager. Then select the video. Then you can see in the third section, the third option you can see end screen annotation. Click on it. Click on the got it. Then preview the video. Click on the preview. Then click on the add element. Then create a video playlist, video and screen. Click on the choose a video. You can choose anything like most related video, then or best for viewers, and I will choose a video. I will have already choose a video. Then click on the create element. Then put it anywhere you want, and I will put on top. Then click on the add element. Then click on the video or playlist, and I will go to playlist and click on the any playlist and create element. Okay, that also created. Then in the second option you can see subscribe. Click on it. You can get the end screen. You can get end screen element. Then after that save it. Okay guys, the end screen have created on my video. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video, and do not forget to share this video.